Can I travel with pets within the U.S.? Yes, you can travel with pets within the U.S., but there are specific guidelines depending on the mode of transportation you choose. 1. By car. Use a secure pet carrier or pet seatbelt for safety. Plan for regular stops for bathroom breaks, exercise, and hydration. Never leave pets in a parked car, especially in extreme temperatures. 2. By air. Check the airline's pet travel policy. Some allow pets in the cabin in an approved carrier. Others require pets to travel as cargo. Many airlines require a recent health certificate from a veterinarian. Certain breeds, like short-nosed dogs and cats, may face restrictions due to health risks during flight. 3. By train. Amtrak allows small pets, dogs and cats under 20 pounds, on certain routes for a fee. Pets must remain in a carrier. Confirm if pets are allowed on your chosen route. 4. By bus. Most bus services, including Greyhound, do not allow pets except for service animals. 5. By boat. Many ferries allow pets, but require them to be leashed or in a carrier. Check with individual operators. Most cruise ships do not allow pets, except for service animals. Some offer pet-friendly accommodations. General tips for traveling with pets. Ensure your pet has a collar with an ID tag and is microchipped with up-to-date contact information. Pack essentials like food, water, bowls, medications, waste bags, and a leash. Book pet-friendly lodging if staying overnight. Check state and local regulations for pets, especially if crossing state lines. With proper planning, traveling with your pet can be a safe and enjoyable experience. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.